Hello everybody, my name is Khalid Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to install a filter in your DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone. Now the filters are a little confusing because when you get the filters they appear to be completely different than the shape of the screen. So let's try this UV filter. First, make sure your hands are very clean. You cannot have oily or dirty hands. So basically, I washed my hands and they're clean. So see, this is round and that's square, and there's no way you can attach this. Looks very strange and weird. This is why. So let me set this aside, because this you have to twist open to put the new filter, and this is how you twist it. You twist it counterclockwise like that. See how it twists and then it comes out. Now this is the original filter, which is just glass. There's nothing in that. You cannot touch that unless you have gloves. You cannot touch the glass or the optics. Now you put this in an angle just like that. Just like that one was. Put it in an angle and then twist it. Like that. Okay. This is a polarized lens, so depending on where this is, the polarization will differ. So you have to make sure it's aligned with that line, so that it's polarized with horizon, because you want the sky to be darker. The purpose of a polarized lens is that when you are shooting in outdoors during the day, the sky, when the camera lens goes up like this, it goes up, the sky becomes so bright that the land goes dark, because the camera tries to adjust the aperture and everything based on the brightness of the sky. So this makes the sky a little darker. Okay, so that's how you install it. Basically, it's a twist and install. It's pretty simple, but it does look complicated in the beginning. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.